This is GED teacher Damon Tennant, and I am so excited to share the message with you that the free GED Math course is now ready to go. You can sign up on the link that is in the description of this video and get going. This course will be from October 1 through November 6. It's a 6-week course. There are streaming classes every Tuesday and Thursday, and then Friday is test day. So the way this test is going to work is that you register for the course. It's free. You don't have to pay anything for the enrollment. You don't need to pay anything for the streaming videos, and you don't have to pay anything for the Friday test. Now, there are some worksheets for a small fee that you might want to get in order to help you move through the course, but it's not a requirement of the course. It's optional. So this is a free course. So this course starts October 1st. On that Thursday, there's going to be a video that drops. That first video is going to be fractions. And then on Friday, there's going to be a test covering fractions. In the following week, there will be a new subject, and a new subject on Thursday. And then Friday's test will be on those two subjects. So the way this course works is every Tuesday and every Thursday, there is new content, and this is giving you specifically what you need to pass the GED Math Test. And then on Friday, you get a practice test. So over the course of this course, to use the word course a lot of times, there are going to be 6 different tests. Every Friday, there's going to be a test from what you've just learned the previous week. And then the final test is a predictive test that will let you know what your score is likely to be. So what are the requirements from you? You just got to give it your best shot. And if there's one thing that represents your best shot to me, is that if you get into the course and you actually read everything that's there, not just skimming it, but make sure you really understand how this course is set up. And then number 2, if you would just be prepared before you get that video going, make sure you have a notebook that has plenty of empty pages in it so you can write, a pencil, eraser, and a calculator. Make sure that you're ready to take notes on these videos and really learn what's going on. Because this course is designed that if you actually do it, you're going to pass the GED Math Test. You might have to watch a video a few times. You might have to send me an email and ask me maybe to clarify a concept or two. But if you commit to this course, you are going to pass the GED test. That is my message for you for this week. Happy Monday. This is September 28th, and I'm so happy to be sharing this message with you. I'm so happy to be presenting this course. This is something I've been thinking about for a long time, and I'm glad that it's here. Spread the word. Tell your friends. You join in. Tell your friends to join in, and we are going to get this thing done.